Do you ever catch a reflection in the mirror and you're wondering, who is that person? Maybe your skin is a little dry, it's not as supple and plump as it used to be. Well, my name is Diana, and I was given this PDRN serum in return for this video. I've heard so much about this PDRN stuff. I've never tried it before. Excited to use this. I'm going to go over all the features, put it on, let you see what it looks like, and then you can decide if this would be a fit for you. If you deal with fine lines, dryness, or even redness, this is like a little helper in a bottle. First, it's packed with 0.5% salmon-DNA PDRN and 2,000 tiny capsules that help your skin renew itself. That means less visible wrinkles and more bounce. Plus, it's got Centella Asiatica and 7 soothing botanicals. So if your skin gets cranky or irritated, this calms it down beautifully. And hydration, oh, it's serious about that. Hyaluronic acid, panthenol, and squalane team up to keep your skin soft and dewy for up to 48 hours. It plays well with all skin types, dry, oily, sensitive, you name it. It absorbs quickly, so you can layer your moisturizer or makeup right after. Some questions people have, will it clog pores? Actually, it's got some ingredients in here like niacinamide that's going to reduce your pores. So that's really good. I didn't have any issues with that at all. I have super sensitive skin. So if it's going to happen to anybody, it's going to happen to me, and it didn't. Is it greasy? No, it actually goes on very light, feels really good, soaks right in. So if you're looking for a great PDRN serum, definitely check this one out.